Sick of front-load washers that smell like mildew and ruin your favorite clothes? We tested the top machines on the market to find the one washer that actually delivers on its promises. Today, we are diving deep into the world of front-load washers to uncover which ones truly deserve a spot in your laundry room. Stick around until the end, because our number one pick completely shattered my expectations with a feature I never knew I needed. Number 10. Miele WXI860 WCS. During my testing, I was immediately struck by its solid build quality and the remarkably compact footprint, which makes it an appealing option for European-style laundry setups or tight apartment closets. It feels incredibly premium with a sleek lotus white finish that looks beautiful in modern homes. The standout feature of this machine is undeniably the twin-dose system. I love the convenience of not having to measure out detergent for every single load, as the machine automatically dispenses the perfect amount of Miele's proprietary detergent based on the cycle and soil level. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of laundry day, and I found that my clothes came out consistently clean and smelling fresh without being heavily perfumed. When it comes to actual washing performance, the Intense Wash technology does a phenomenal job at saturating the load quickly. I ran a batch of heavily stained gardening clothes through a warm cycle, and it managed to lift out mud and grass stains with impressive efficiency. The drum movements are precise, ensuring that fabrics are treated gently while still getting a thorough scrub. However, living with this machine did reveal some notable frustrations, particularly regarding its size. With a capacity of just 2.26 cubic feet, I found myself doing laundry far more frequently than I would with a standard-sized washer. If you have a large family or routinely wash bulky items like king-sized comforters, you are going to find this drum size incredibly limiting. Furthermore, the overall cost of ownership is something you really have to consider. Not only is the initial purchase price exceptionally high, but you are also highly encouraged to use Miele's proprietary twin-dose detergent cartridges. 9. Bosch WGB24600UC. This model from the Bosch 800 series is designed to offer high-end performance in a small package, and right out of the box, it feels like a high-tech piece of machinery. I installed this unit in a second-floor closet to specifically test its balance, and its sleek design fit perfectly into the narrow space. What I appreciated most about the Bosch during my testing was the eco-silence motor. This washer is whisper quiet, to the point where I often had to check the display just to make sure it was actually running. If your laundry room is near a bedroom or a home office, the acoustic profile of this machine is a massive benefit that cannot be overstated. Bosch also includes their AquaStop system, which gave me incredible peace of mind during the testing phase. This feature uses a specialized double-walled hose and safety valve to prevent water damage, instantly shutting off the water supply if a leak is detected. Knowing that I could run a cycle while leaving the house without fear of flooding was a fantastic confidence booster. But much like the Miele, the Bosch falls short when it comes to accommodating the laundry demands of a typical American household. At 2.4 cubic feet, it is slightly larger than the Miele, but it still struggles immensely with thick blankets and large loads of towels. I had to pull out damp, tightly bunched sheets more than once, because there simply was not enough room in the drum for them to tumble properly. Additionally, I ran into consistent headaches with the Home Connect smart features. 8. Maytag MHW5630HW. This washer shifts gears away from the compact European models and delivers a robust, classic American laundry experience. With a spacious 4.5 cubic foot capacity, I was immediately relieved to be able to fit a massive pile of jeans and hoodies into a single load without having to cram them through the door. The feature I found myself using the most during my testing was the extra power button. It is a brilliant, simple solution that essentially boosts stain-fighting performance on any wash cycle by adding a dual temperature wash. I tested this on a load of heavily soiled gym clothes, and the combination of cold and warm water worked wonders to dissolve both sweat and stubborn dirt. Another excellent addition to this Maytag model is the 12-hour fresh spin option. I intentionally left a load of wet clothes in the drum overnight to see how well it worked. The machine periodically tumbled the clothes to keep them from sitting in a soggy pile, and to my surprise, they did not have that terrible musty smell the next morning. Build quality is exactly what you would expect from the Maytag name. The internal balancing rings do a great job of keeping vibration in check, even when spinning at maximum speeds. I noticed very little shaking, even when washing a heavy, unbalanced load like a single large bath mat mixed with regular shirts. Overall, it serves as a highly reliable middle-of-the-road washer. It lacks some of the hyper-advanced smart features found in higher-end models, but it makes up for it with straightforward, dependable performance. 7. Samsung WD-90F53AVS-US. This is an ambitious all-in-one washer and ventless heat pump dryer combo boasting a massive 5.3 cubic foot capacity. On paper, and certainly in its sleek dark steel design, it looks like the ultimate futuristic solution for replacing two bulky appliances with one streamlined unit. When I started my initial wash tests, the AI OptiWash feature genuinely impressed me. It uses sensors to detect the soil level of the water and automatically adjusts the wash time and detergent amounts. It handled a mixed load of darks beautifully, and the washing performance itself is undeniably strong, leaving fabrics looking vibrant and feeling thoroughly clean. However, my testing quickly revealed severe limitations when moving past the wash phase. Because this is a combo unit, the drying times are agonizingly slow. I waited nearly 3.5 hours for a medium-sized load of towels to wash and dry completely. If you are used to doing multiple loads of laundry back-to-back on a weekend, this machine will completely destroy your schedule, as you cannot start a new wash until the previous load has finished drying. Maintenance on this machine also proved to be a massive headache. Without a traditional dryer lint trap, the lint accumulates heavily around the rubber door gasket and inside the drum after every dry cycle. I found myself having to manually wipe down the thick, wet lint from the seal with a damp cloth before I could run the next wash, which was incredibly tedious and gross. Ultimately, the Samsung Bespoke Combo feels like a highly expensive compromise. You are paying a premium price for the convenience of an all-in-one unit, but you sacrifice so much in terms of time efficiency and maintenance. 6. LG WM4200HBA. This machine boasts a massive 5.0 cubic foot mega capacity, and the black steel finish gives it a strikingly modern, aggressive look in the laundry room. I was eager to test this unit because it promises high-end performance and enough space to wash a king-size comforter and a full set of bedding in a single go, which it did handle with ease. The TurboWash 360 technology is the highlight of this machine. It utilizes 5 powerful jets to spray water and detergent directly onto the clothes from multiple angles. I ran a quick wash cycle with some lightly soiled office wear, and it managed to deliver a comprehensive clean in under 30 minutes. The speed and efficiency of the wash cycles are truly top tier. Unfortunately, the day-to-day usability of this machine left me highly irritated. The digital control panel is inexplicably designed without a backlight. Unless your laundry room is flooded with bright, direct lighting, it is nearly impossible to read the dark text on the dark background. I constantly had to use my phone's flashlight just to select the correct water temperature and spin speed. I also encountered a jarring issue with water hammer during the fill cycles. Whenever the LG washer drew water, the internal valves shut off so abruptly that it caused the pipes in my testing facility to bang loudly. This sudden pressure change is not only annoying to listen to, but it also raises concerns about long-term wear and tear on household plumbing. To make matters worse, the smart features completely missed the mark. 5. Whirlpool WFW5720RR. This 4.5 cubic foot front-load washer is a phenomenal example of practical, user-friendly engineering. Right away, I was thoroughly impressed by how sturdy and reliable this machine felt during everyday use, offering high-end features without feeling overly complicated. The absolute best part of this washer is the fresh flow vent system. Odor and mold are the biggest enemies of front-load washers, but Whirlpool has integrated a fan that actively circulates air through the drum after the cycle ends. I left the door completely shut for 3 days after a wash, and the interior remained bone dry and completely free of that notorious swampy smell. The load and go dispenser was another feature that completely won me over during testing. I filled the bulk reservoir with liquid detergent once, and it lasted through nearly 40 loads of laundry. It sounds like a minor convenience, but not having to deal with messy, sticky detergent cups every single day drastically improved my laundry routine. When it comes to actual stain removal, the heavy-duty cycle on this Whirlpool is an absolute beast. I threw in a load of kids' clothes covered in spaghetti sauce and set in mud. The machine utilized its steam clean option flawlessly, lifting the stains out completely without the need for pre-treating. The clothes emerged looking practically brand new. Furthermore, the control panel is a breath of fresh air. It utilizes a highly intuitive what to wash, how to wash layout that makes perfect sense. You simply tell the machine what is in the drum and how you want it cleaned. 4. GE PFQ97HSPVDS. Yes, it is another all-in-one washer-dryer combination unit, but unlike the Samsung we discussed earlier, GE has managed to execute this concept brilliantly. With a 4.8 cubic foot capacity and a 120-volt plug, this ventless heat pump machine completely changed my perspective on what a combo unit can achieve. The drying speed on this machine is nothing short of impressive. Because it utilizes an advanced high airflow heat pump system, I was able to wash and dry a large load of everyday clothes in about 2 hours. It completely eliminates the agonizing wait times usually associated with these machines, making it a genuinely viable option for busy households. GE also solved the maintenance and odor issues flawlessly. The drum, the dispenser, and the door gasket are all treated with microban antimicrobial technology. After weeks of heavy testing, there was absolutely zero buildup of mold or mildew. Plus, the lint trap is designed just like a traditional dryer, making it incredibly easy to pull out and clean between cycles. The smart dispense system is incredibly generous, holding enough detergent for up to 32 loads. I found the machine's ability to calculate the exact amount of soap needed based on the weight and fabric type to be highly accurate. My clothes never felt crunchy from excess soap residue, which is a common issue with manual dosing. Overall, this GE profile unit is a massive triumph in space-saving design. It delivers incredible washing and drying performance from a single standard outlet, meaning you can install it almost anywhere in your home. 3. LG WM4000HBA. While LG's larger model frustrated me, this 4.5 cubic foot version is arguably the best value machine on the entire market. It hits the perfect sweet spot between price, advanced features, and sheer washing performance, making it an absolute joy to test and operate. The wash performance is absolutely phenomenal, driven heavily by LG's AIDD technology. This system uses artificial intelligence to weigh the load and assess the softness of the fabrics, adjusting the wash motions accordingly. My delicate sweaters and heavy denim jeans were both treated with the perfect level of care, resulting in zero stretching or damage. I heavily tested the allergene cycle, which is certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. By utilizing deep penetrating steam, it effortlessly removed pet dander and dust mites from my heavy winter bedding. If anyone in your home suffers from seasonal allergies, the steam capabilities on this machine are a total game changer. Unlike its larger sibling, the water intake on this model is incredibly smooth and quiet. The entire machine operates with a hushed efficiency, and the internal balancing system keeps vibrations to an absolute minimum during the final spin. My clothes came out of the washer incredibly thoroughly spun, which drastically reduced my drying times later. It is highly reliable, aesthetically pleasing, and perfectly sized to fit into standard laundry closets. The built-in Wi-Fi and ThinQ app worked flawlessly on this model, allowing me to download specialized wash cycles for things like swimwear and activewear. It is a brilliantly rounded machine that handles everything you throw at it with grace. 2. GE GFW550SSNWW. This 4.8 cubic foot washer completely redefines what a front-load washer should be by aggressively tackling the industry's biggest flaw, mold and odor. From the moment I installed this machine, I was blown away by how effectively it manages moisture. The absolute star of the show is the ultra-fresh vent system with odor block. Just like the Whirlpool, it features an active venting system, but GE pairs this with a bright blue microband-treated door gasket and dispenser. This dual-action approach means you can shut the door immediately after a wash, and the machine will automatically dry itself out, guaranteeing it stays pristine and odor-free forever. Another massive convenience that won me over during testing was the reversible door. Front-load washers are notoriously rigid when it comes to installation, but being able to flip the door hinge to accommodate my specific laundry room layout was incredibly helpful. It is a thoughtful design choice that makes moving clothes to the dryer a seamless motion. The Sanitize with Oxy cycle is fantastic for households that get truly dirty. I ran a load of heavily soiled rags through this cycle, and it utilized a dedicated oxy additive along with elevated water temperatures to obliterate bacteria and tough grime. The cleaning power here is undeniably commercial grade, leaving fabrics impeccably clean. The built-in Wi-Fi is wonderfully reliable, and the integration with smart home assistants is genuinely useful. Getting a pleasant voice announcement from my smart speaker that the laundry was done saved me countless trips to the basement. It is a powerhouse of a washer that eliminates the biggest headaches of front-load ownership. Number 1. Electrolux ELFW5630HW. This 4.5 cubic foot machine completely shattered my expectations and delivered the most pristine, perfectly clean laundry I've ever seen. It operates on a level of sophistication and power that leaves the competition in the dust. The secret to its unmatched stain removal is the Smart Boost technology. Before the water ever touches your clothes, this washer premixes the water and detergent in a special holding chamber. I watched as it created a highly concentrated cleaning solution that penetrated fabrics instantly. Even dried-on wine and chocolate stains disappeared completely during my tests, without any manual scrubbing beforehand. The Optic White cycle is another feature I never knew I needed until I used it. Instead of relying on harsh bleach to keep white clothes bright, this cycle optimizes the wash action and temperature to keep dirt from redepositing on fabrics. My white t-shirts and towels actually look noticeably brighter and crisper after just a few washes in this machine. The LuxCare Plus wash system ensures that water is distributed evenly and the temperature control is precise down to the degree. It was incredibly gentle on my delicate items, yet fierce enough to clean heavy canvas work pants. It treats your wardrobe as an investment, ensuring that your clothes last longer while looking their absolute best. Finally, the perfect balance system makes this the quietest, most remarkably stable washer I tested all year. Even when spinning an intentionally unbalanced load of heavy towels on the maximum speed setting, a glass of water placed on top of the machine barely showed a ripple. The Electrolux ELFW7637AT is a true masterpiece of laundry technology, offering unparalleled cleaning performance, exceptional fabric care, and an incredibly refined user experience.